Hey, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. Hey, we're going to do part 2 of Over the Rainbow. This is a pretty simple transcription, but it's actually very pretty. We did page 1 in an earlier video. We're going to do page 2. It is this guy right here. So take a look at all that, and we're just going to play it real quick. Here we go. Starts with, here we go, 1, 2, ready, go. That's it. First row, the F, B flat, F. I'm going to do this and these. These 2 rows I'm going to do right now, very slowly. Here we go again. 1, 2, ready, go. Do that again. I'm trying to mess around with the fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, this one is cool. That's very cool. Then it goes to A with a B bass. So look at that. And then 3rd row, we just did that one right there. 3rd row, we're going to be right here now. Here we go. It's C. That measure is C. And then together E with G, and then G flat, and E flat. And then it goes to G with G and F. That's together. From the top. Cool part. Alright, that was page 2. We'll do page 3 and page 4 in a different video. Have fun practicing.